Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to compare the US dollar's performance against Bitcoin's performance in the last 18 months. So literally like about a 1.6 year period of time. But before doing so, I just wanted to watch this clip of why real estate is actually a very unpredictable asset. And this is an awesome tweet that they were sharing on the Maple Bitcoin channel. So we'll get that up now and we can do a little reaction.
I received my tax notice from the city of Edmonton. My property taxes are now $1,342 per month for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath bungalow. A 1-year increase of $230 per month for seniors living near the river value, and I'm retired. This increase is criminal and needs looking into. So I don't know if this is it feels like a scam, right? These people spent their entire lives getting to finally be able to own a house. And now, who knows if they paid it off? I'm not going to make an assumption here. If they did pay it off, though, and they're living on a fixed income, what if they can't afford to pay the property taxes on this house? And this is something that happens because of the fake money that we have. So Bitcoin being the store of value completely removes housing from being an asset, and we stop using when we stop using housing as an asset, it just changes everything. All these people who have spent their entire lives working, they can now actually make ends meet.
That's a crazy percentage increase. That's 17%.
Yeah, so just read that tweet, guys. Like, this is just heartbreaking stuff. Real estate is cooked. Like, imagine spending your whole life trying to build a real estate empire, and then they pull this crap on you and just cook you. And if you're stuck on a fixed income that's trying to pay for that mortgage, it's literally just property tax. It's not even paying off the home loan. Like, that's just criminal. So like, you don't ever own a house. I'm sorry, but you need Bitcoin. You can actually hold it in self-custody. And so today we are looking at $109,000 Bitcoin. Looking juicy. But I plugged into AI, Bitcoin versus the US dollar performance from around October 14th, 2023 to May 26th, 2025. So this is just before things started to kick off. So I have selected a little bit of a time frame here, but it's not that long ago. Like, that's what I mean. I didn't really have to cherry pick much. I just went back about a year and a half, and this is where it was at. And so we see Bitcoin was $26,855, and now it's $109,000. So the growth has been around a 3x, 305.9%. And then I looked at the US dollar has been inflated about 7% over that period of time. That's just an approximate. I think it could actually be a lot higher than that, but I'm trying to be a little bit generous here. And so you've lost 11% of your purchasing power over this period of time holding the US dollar. And then we compare that to if you were holding Bitcoin instead. So initial investment back in that period of time, when was it? May 2023? October 2023. Sheesh, not even May. October 2023. $1,000 is now worth 4,000. 10,000 is worth 40,000. 100,000 is worth 405,000, and this is in a year and a half. And then if you were holding US dollars, $889. Very good. $8,894. Very good. And then if you were holding 100 grand over this period of time, you've nearly lost 12 grand. So opportunity cost, 3 grand, you've lost 3 grand, you've lost 30 grand, and you've lost 316 grand just by holding the US dollar over 18 months. It's criminal, absolutely criminal. So yeah, we see here, Bitcoin grew 3x. The US dollar lost 11% of its purchasing power at a 7% annualized rate. Imagine when that is like in the COVID years when it's like 10, 12, 14, you'd be shafted. Opportunity cost is cooked. So swap your crappy US dollars, swap your crappy Aussie dollars for Bitcoin, and you can turn something like 10 grand investment to 40 grand in 18 months. You can't do that with the US. If you're holding the US dollar, you're getting destroyed. So yeah, I just wanted to share that one. Let me know what you guys think of that in the comments. Send me some Satoshis over the Lightning QR code. And cheers, guys. Just a short one today.